Learn English to Gujarati transport words. Traffic to.
Bus stop.
Welcome to the road adventure. Hey, you are about to survive a very dramatic city morning and learn Gujarati on the way. Good news. No real bus was harmed in this lesson. This morning, you leave home with great confidence, heroic energy, and exactly the wrong amount of coffee. Your mission is simple. Cross the city, catch your ride, and not get defeated by
traffic.
But the city laughs politely. There is
Traffic.
everywhere. Then it gets worse. It becomes a full
Traffic jam.
You look out the window and think, amazing. Even the pigeons are overtaking us. So today you will learn how to talk about traffic, travel, and the small emotional drama of getting from one place to another. Your survival words. Let's grab the key words first, nice and clearly. Repeat them after me like a calm traveler, not like a person arguing with a bus door. Traffic.
Traffic.
Public transport.
जाहिर परिवहन.
Ticket.
Ticket.
Timetable.
समयपत्रक.
Traffic jam.
Traffic jam.
Accident.
अकस्मात.
To transfer.
बदलवू.
Bus stop.
Bus stop.
A very normal, totally chaotic morning. Now you will hear the words inside a story. Just follow along and enjoy the chaos. You decide not to drive because the city already has enough.
Traffic.
Very wise, very mature. You choose.
जाहिर परिवहन.
Instead. At the station, you buy a
Ticket.
and proudly hold it like it is a golden passport to victory. Then you check the
समयपत्रक.
The timetable says your train is leaving soon, which is a fun way of saying, please begin jogging immediately. You run, stop, turn, and ask, do I stay on this line or do I?
बदलवू.
Question mark single quote. A helpful stranger points left. You rush toward the platform like a dramatic movie hero whose only superpower is mild panic. When the city says nope. Of course, every travel story needs a twist. Here comes the twist, wearing uncomfortable shoes. Just when you think things are improving, the roads outside freeze in a giant
Traffic jam.
A bus driver sighs. A cyclist sighs. Even a dog looks disappointed. Someone says there was an
अकसात.
near the bridge. Because of the
अकसात.
more
Traffic.
builds up. Suddenly everyone becomes a transport philosopher. One person says, life is a journey. Another says, yes, but why is the journey not moving? You decide that next time
जाहिर परिवहन.
is still smarter than driving, because at least on a bus you can sit and be delayed with dignity. Mini dialogue at the station. Let's make it practical. Listen to this short dialogue and imagine yourself there. A. Excuse me, where is the
Bus stop.
B. The
Bus stop.
is near the market. A. Should I use
जाहिर परिवहन.
or walk? B. Use.
जाहिर परिवहन.
There is too much.
Traffic.
A. Do I need a
Ticket.
B. Yes, and check the
समयपत्रक.
A. Do I
बदलवू.
at the next station? B. Yes, and hurry, unless you enjoy missing things in multiple languages. Quick memory drill. Your turn. I say the English word, and you say the Gujarati word. Ready? Brave face on. Traffic.
Traffic.
Public transport.
जाहिर परिवहन.
Ticket.
Ticket.
Timetable.
समयपत्रक.
Traffic jam.
ट्रैफिक जाम.
Accident.
अकस्मात.
To transfer.
बदलवू.
Bus stop.
बस स्टॉप.
Fun quiz on the move. Let's test your ears. No pressure. Well, only the pressure of imaginary commuters staring at you. What is the Gujarati word for ticket?
टिकट.
What is the Gujarati word for timetable?
समयपत्रक.
What is the Gujarati phrase for public transport?
जाहिर परिवहन.
What is the Gujarati for traffic jam?
ट्रैफिक जाम.
If you change from one train to another, which verb helps you?
बदलवू.
Where do you wait for the bus?
बस स्टॉप.
Speak like a traveler. Now let's build a few useful lines you can actually remember. Short, simple, and travel ready. There is a lot of.
ट्रैफिक.
I use.
जाहिर परिवहन.
I have a.
टिकट.
Please check the.
समयपत्रक.
There is a.
ट्रैफिक जाम.
There was an.
अकस्मात.
I need to.
बदलवू.
Here. I am waiting at the.
बस स्टॉप.
Thanks and keep going. Nice work. You made it through traffic, drama, and vocabulary without honking at anyone. Today you practiced travel words in English and Gujarati, including
ट्रैफिक. जाहिर परिवहन. टिकट. समयपत्रक. ट्रैफिक जाम. अकस्मात. बदलवू.
and.
बस स्टॉप.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing a little every day, repeat the words aloud, and soon your travel Gujarati will feel much more natural. See you in the next chapter, and may your future journeys have fewer delays and much better snacks.